Hello, welcome to Valley Buick GMC here in Auburn. Today let's talk about this 2018 Chevy Cruz LT. It is a very beautiful car, extremely stylish as you can see. It is black on black along with the wheels. I wanted to point that out because it looks really great in person. This car has 61,000 miles. It's very low miles for a 2018, way below market average. Clean Carfax. It was well maintained and serviced over the years. We do provide a Carfax report where you can see all the details. Or you can shoot me a text and I'll be happy to send you over a link to the Carfax report. Let's take a look at the interior. We've got power windows and Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control. Very nicely equipped Chevy Cruz. There's a charging port below, a little bit of storage, touchscreen display along with backup camera, of course, roomy in the front and in the back. Lots of space there for your passengers. Let's take a look at the trunk. I'm not exaggerating, but there's lots of space back here in the trunk. You can also fold the seats down, which you have that extra room if you are needing it for any reason. Both seats fold flat, extremely flat, as you can see here in this video. Pretty incredible car, low miles, only $16,000. Come check it out here at Valley Buick GMC in Auburn. We'll get it set aside and ready for you. Just text us and let us know what time you'll be here. Have a great day.